if you are already using Pinterest to grow your business, today I want to show you the best way of finding new keywords that are relevant for you, not only now, but like anytime when you want to post your content. Stay with me until the end so I can give you my secret of when I do my keyword research. But let's dive right into it now. So there are a lot of paid applications that will promise you to find keywords that are relevant to post your traffic. But in my experience, you should just stay away from them because it's a waste of money, in my opinion. You should look for your keywords on Pinterest itself, because this is where your audience is, and I want to show you how to do it in the search bar. Let me give you 1 second. So in this example, we have a post about vegan recipes. So we type in vegan recipes, and then under the search bar, we have a lot of words like easy, simple, healthy, dinner. And we use these words to make long tail keywords like easy vegan recipes or healthy vegan recipes, and we can use all of them to create new keywords. Okay, perfect. And now I want to share my secret with you when to look for keywords. I do this every time before I even start writing a blog post. So let's say I have an idea in mind, then I do my keyword research, and I literally take a pen and a paper and I write down a list of about 20 keywords, and then while writing my content, I will make sure that as naturally as it can be, I mention all these words in the blog post. Basically, just to give the search engine, not only Pinterest but also Google, more content to see and to recognize what your piece of content is about. So this is really my secret. Even before I start writing down one sentence, I will first do my keyword research and make sure to get as many keywords as I can into my blog post. So if you have any questions about that, or if you haven't tried it yet, let me know in the comments. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to join my 5-day email challenge, which is of course for free and will be one step at a time in a 5-day email challenge. And I hope I see you there. Bye!